Students, let us see this example. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as he has 5 rupees coins. Here two types of coins, 2 rupees coins and 5 rupees coins. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? Here 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coin, but here 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins is 3 times than 5 rupees coins. So suppose number of 5 rupees coins is equal to x and number of 2 rupees coins is equal to 3x, 3 times as many as 5 rupees. So the number of 2 rupees coins is equal to 3x. The amount Bansi has from 5 rupees coins, he has rupees 5x. 5 rupees 5 multiplied by x is equal to rupees 5x. From 2 rupees coins, rupees 2 multiplied by 3x because he has 3x coins of 2 rupees. So 2 rupees 2 multiplied by 3x is equal to rupees 6x. Now here it is given that he has in all a sum of rupees 77. So here 5x plus 6x is equal to 11x. Hence the total money he has is equal to 11x and 11x is equal to 77 because it is given here. So x is equal to 77 upon 11 is equal to 7. Now the number of 5 rupees coins is equal to x is equal to 7 and the number of 2 rupees coins is equal to 3x is equal to 21. See the next example. Devesi has a total of rupees 590 as currency notes in the denominations of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes is 3:5. If she has a total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination she has? Very important question here. Here it is given that the ratio of the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes is 3:5. So let the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes be 3x and 5x respectively. But she has 25 notes in total and number of rupees 10 note is not given. So you can find the number of rupees 10 note by this method. The number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 25 minus 3x plus 5x because it is given that she has a total of 25 notes. She has 25 notes. Out of 25 notes, she has 3x and 5x of rupees 50 and rupees 20 notes. So the remaining will be rupees 10 notes. So 25 minus 3x plus 5x is equal to 25 minus 8x. So the number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 25 minus 8x. Now you have the number of notes of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. The amount she has from rupees 50 notes is equal to 3x multiplied by 50 as we have done in the above example. So rupees 150x. From rupees 20 notes, how many notes of 20? 5x. So 5x multiplied by 20 is equal to rupees 100x. From rupees 10 notes, now you know the number of rupees 10 notes, 25 minus 8x. So 25 minus 8x multiplied by 10 is equal to 25 tens are rupees 250 minus 8 tens are 80x. Now here the Deveshi has a total of rupees 590. So do the sum of all these three amounts. So 100x, 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x is equal to 590. So 170x plus 250 is equal to 590. By doing simplification, you will get the value of x. X is equal to 2. Now put this value in this number that we have assumed. Therefore, the number of rupees 50 notes is equal to 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So the number of rupees 50 notes she has is equal to 6. Then the number of rupees 20 notes she has is equal to 5x is equal to 5 to the 10. And the number of 10 notes she has is equal to 25 minus 8x. So here you get the number of rupees 10 notes. And the total notes is 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. Here 25 notes. So you can check your answer also. Now in exercise 2.2, do question number 12 and 13 by yourself. Question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is, here ratio is given. So the sum is very easy. 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? This is the same example that we have seen in example 11. So do the method as given in the example. Here what is given? Rupees, the number of rupees 100, the number of rupees 100 notes is equal to given 2x, because 2:3:5. First number of 100, then number of rupees 50 notes is equal to 3x, and number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5x. This is given. Now the total money she had is equal to 100 notes, rupees 100, and here write the number of notes. then plus rupees 50 and write the number of notes of rupees 50, then plus rupees 10 and the number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5x, and total rupees she has is equal to 4 lakh. Now solve this equation. 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh. By solving this equation, you will get the value of x, and then put this value in these three numbers. So you will get the number of rupees 100 notes, number of rupees 50 notes, and number of rupees 10 notes. Question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Here is the same example like example 8. Here we have seen this example 8. Here the number of rupees 5 coins, here rupees 5 coins and rupees 2 coins. Suppose number of rupees 5 coins is equal to x and number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times, that is 3x. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Here is the same example. Suppose number of rupees 5 coin is equal to x. Then number of rupees 2 coins is equal to 3 times, that means 3x. Here number of rupees 1 is not given, but you can find number of rupees 1 coins, because you have given that the total number of coins is 160. So subtract these two number of coins from 160, you will get the remaining is the coins of rupees 1. So 160 minus 4x, this is the number of rupees 1 coin. Now total money is rupees 300 given. So do the same process. So rupees 5 coins is here 5 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1 multiplied by 160 minus 4x is equal to rupees 300. But so 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. Here 5x plus 6x, 11x minus 4x. So 7x plus 160 is equal to 3x. 7x is equal to 140. So x is equal to 140 upon 7 is equal to 20. Here the value of x is equal to 20. Now put this value in these three numbers. So you will get the number of coins of rupees 5, rupees 2 and rupees 1. Last example, last question. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participant is 63. Here what is given you? Prize given to the winner is rupees 100 and prize given to the participant is rupees 25 and the total number of participant is 63. Here this information is given to you. Suppose the number of winner is X and suppose number of winner is equal to X. So the number of participant is equal to, here you have given that total number of participants is 63. Out of 63, X are the winners. So participant will be 63 minus X. Now prize money distributed to winners. So here rupees 100 for winner. How many winners? X. Rupees 100 to winners plus rupees 25 to the participant. How many numbers of participants? 63 minus X. And what is the total amount? 3000. So solve this equation. So you will get the value of X. Here use distributive property. So you will get the value of X. Then put this value in this two numbers. So you will get the number of winner and number of participant. So complete exercise 2 in homework.